So today marks 1 week since the government shutdown started, and the impact is being felt at airports across the country. Travelers could face more delays today because of a shortage of air traffic controllers. Transportation Secretary Sean Duffy says more controllers, they're calling out sick as they continue to work without pay during this government shutdown. Several airports were impacted by this yesterday, including Chicago O'Hare, Nashville International, just to name a couple there. But new this morning for you, we are learning that 2 rural airports in Arizona, they're going to be impacted if this government shutdown does continue. Prescott and Show Low Regional are just 2 of the more than 100 airports nationwide that could lose funding from the FAA. Our David Chazanoff joins us live in the studio. He's been looking into that this morning. How soon are we talking that this could happen?
Justin, good morning. It could happen just 4 days from now. Federal funding for air travel in rural areas will expire Sunday unless lawmakers reach a spending agreement. Transportation Secretary Sean Duffy says a lot is at stake here.
So there's many small communities across the country that will now no longer have the resources to make sure they have air service in their community.
Essential Air Service, which is an FAA program, provides funding to rural airports. It's been around for nearly 50 years, offering air travel options to more than 170 communities across the country that wouldn't get them otherwise. According to an advocacy group for regional airlines that receive EAS funds, before the pandemic, the program had an economic impact of more than $2 billion. It also supported more than 17,000 U.S. jobs. The Regional Airline Association is weighing in on this situation. They continue to urge federal leaders to come together and reopen the government, calling it essential for all Americans. The RAA says the government shutdown only adds more problems to an air transportation system that is already dealing with delays, disruptions, and even cancellations. While the program's future is in question, the FAA is facing other problems too. They're seeing staffing shortages, and more employees are calling out sick as air traffic controllers work without pay. Duffy says he's looking into how this may impact the safety of air travel.
Is our airspace unsafe? No. Right? If we think there's issues in the airspace, we will shut it down. We will close it down. We will delay. But again, it's creating a ripple effect for our controllers.
Situation there. Duffy says if he continues to see more air traffic controllers call out sick, there will be more flight delays for safety reasons. We're in studio. David Chazanoff, 12 News, Today AZ.